Hello, friends. I'm Jean Houston. Many of you know me because I've been coming to the Rose Center since 1982, 35 years. Why do I keep coming back? Why do I keep coming back after, it takes me 3 and 4 different planes to be able to get here or get back? I come here because this is where life is growing, where life is happening, the beauty of this place, the nature in all seasons, the sheer exuberance of a place where life is constantly renewed, where you go deeper, where you discover new ways of being and doing. Now, why this year? Because this is the year that I am presenting what I think is the most formidable and important seminar I have ever given. It's about, we say, awakening the giant self that is within us, but it's more than that. It's actually coming to terms with the fact that here we are in the most difficult time in human history, and a time in which we are being called to advance our species. Yes, to awaken to the latent humanity that is yearning to be born. Well, I'm here as a midwife of souls. I'm here as an evocateur of that possibility. I'm going to be using everything that I have ever known in over 50 years of teaching. I'm going to be showing you ways of tapping into capacities that are yearning to be expressed. I'm going to show you ways of dealing with the incredible possibilities inherent in the new physics that tells us we don't just live in the universe lives in us. What are the implications of a whole universe living in us? You say, oh, it's impossible. No, it is possible. And I've been working for the last 10 years on this, and do you know what we know? We know that you can change time. We know that you can activate a whole new pattern of reality that becomes so rich, so feisty, so juicy within you that you can bring it into form in the outer world. We know that you have to become all that you really can be because you are needed. Your new humanity is needed. Let's work together. Here I come. After 35 years, another year, another time at the glorious, effulgent, birthing place of the Rose Conference Center. I'll see you soon.